Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa Period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, I will be doing a hair unboxing on this wig that I got from ALIEXPRESS. So if you want to see how the wig is looking, about the shipping and all of that, then keep on watching. Before we get into the actual video, guys, just make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like, and also leave video suggestions in the comment sections down below for your gather. You understand? So yeah, like I'm gonna be telling y'all all the specs and details on this wig. I'm gonna be telling y'all if it's shedding or whatever. I got my measuring tape and everything. I'm ready to go. Okay, period. And just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I spent my hard-earned coins on this wig. Okay, this is my birthday wig. You feel me? So y'all, the company that I ordered this hair from is called Lynx Official. I think that's the name. I'm gonna leave it right here. I wanted this hair for my birthday, so I got it now because a lot of people have been complaining about their shipping and stuff like that. So I'm not trying to have those type of problems. Like, hey, I didn't celebrate my birthday last year because I was pregnant. It's not gonna happen this year. It's not gonna happen this year. So I made sure I ordered this hair. Okay, so I ordered this hair last Tuesday and I received it Monday. I'm filming this video on a Thursday, so I received it Monday. So this package has been sitting here for a while. So it took like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm not gonna count the weekends. It's Monday. Excuse my baby in the back, y'all. So yeah, this hair took 4 or 5 days to get to me, and I live in Florida if you didn't know. So shipping was super quick for me. Also, y'all, I'm gonna leave on the screen the exact hair that I got. I believe I got the 13 by 4, 30 by 6 lace frontal wig in 40 inches. Supposed to be 40 inches, and I got the 250% density. They sent my package via FedEx. It's right here. I didn't open it or nothing. So yeah, for shipping, we can check that off the box right now. Oops. The screen was super. Oh yeah, I thought it was a little bit of smell, but it's not. It's not no smell. We're gonna see. And then they got the 40 inches on there, and then it says how to measure the hair on there from the top to the bottom. I just normally always measure it from the last track in the back all the way down, but I'm gonna do it how they say, and then I'm gonna do it how I do it and let y'all know. Okay, so this is how the hair is looking out the bag. It's supposed to be 250% density. It don't look like no 250% density right now. It didn't come in a cute packaging or nothing. It just came with a band, I guess, to put in the back of the wig if the wig don't fit. And then y'all can't even like see the full length of the hair. Okay, there we go. Y'all can see it like that right there. Okay, I didn't get no goodies or nothing like that, which I'm disappointed about because I always get goodies like wig caps, edge brushes, or something. There's absolutely nothing in here. This is also supposed to be a medium brown lace too, y'all. So let me see. And it's supposed to be pre-plucked. So the hairline is not giving pre-plucked to me. And the knots is like really small knots. Like it's not like big black knots. I'm gonna show y'all. So the lace looks like medium brown to me. And then this is how the hairline is looking, you guys. And then it got 4 combs in it. And then this is absolutely not a 13 by 4. It's more like a 13 by 2. So yeah, I'm very disappointed about that too, because it's like literally a small space right here where I can't even do a side part if I really wanted to. Like the deep side part, I can't do that. So I'm just gonna have to stick to my middle part. Bless you, baby. Okay, y'all, so I have my measuring tape right here. And before I go any further, I'm just gonna measure y'all, so before it stretch, it's given like it's given 38 inches, okay? So that's what it's given, like all the way from the top. Like, look right there. That's before it stretch, y'all. So it might be 40. Okay, so now we're gonna stretch it. And it's at, y'all can't see it, but it's measuring like a little, like at 43. So I guess it's a true 40, y'all. So that's good. It feels a little bit like dense. I know them people be on TikTok be saying like they be mixing it with like synthetic blends and stuff like that. So we gonna see, this hair is a little bit coarse. I got one strand of shedding, you guys. Y'all can see that. And for reference, you guys, I'm 5'4", so I'm gonna stand up in a minute and I'm gonna show y'all where it falls on me. Okay, y'all, so a quick rundown of how I feel about this wig so far. First out the unboxing, I give this wig a 8.5 out of 10, just because it didn't come in like no cute packaging or nothing like that, and it didn't come with no goodies or nothing like that. But everything is looking good so far. Shipping was super fast, super quick. The hair is super soft. It's a little bit rugged, but it's super soft at the same time, if that makes sense. And also, I take out points because it's not a true 13x4, you know, so that too. But if y'all want to see updated version, just let me know in the comments. Just let me know in the comments down below, and I'm gonna do get ready with me for my birthday, so y'all gonna see how that wig take bleaching and all that stuff. Or you can DM me on Instagram and all that good jazz. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post a brand new video, y'all. And guys, I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.